Hey y'all, so today we are going to be doing a puff, and this is not just any simple hair puff, okay? We are adding class to it, and so just sit back and watch the video till the end. So, what I'm doing is first to start off by parting the hair, and I want to create a half a style in the front part. So I'm just going to take that aside so that we deal with the puff. This is a very simple hairstyle. That is why I say you can do it under 4 minutes because it is something that is very, very easy to do. You start off on, any hair could be an old twist out. An old wash and go, whatever style that you want to do, you want to use to do this puff. It is just a simple hairstyle. So what I'm doing is just using my rubber band to get the puff in place. And this was actually from an old hairstyle. I think it was a wash and go. Yes, and I decided to put it in a puff. I'm not a fan of puffs because usually I find it difficult to pull my hair up. So I usually like to do low bands. But yeah, this is what we have for the puff side. Now I'm just going to be using the Got2b glue just to let the puff sit in place, just to lay down any flyaways that is going to make the hairstyle look messy. We don't want any messy hairstyle here. So just applying the got be glue. You can apply any other holding styler that you have available, but this is what I have, and that is why I am using the got be glue. And for your information, when you use holders like this, they make the style last longer. Yeah. So what I'm going to do now is to work on the front part, and this is what makes the difference about the whole puff thing. Yeah. So what I'm doing is just finding the right way to get this half style in place. And what I'm doing is just trying to bobby pin it. This is not a very tight style, and if you want to do it, you just have to bring the hair to the side and then bobby pin it. You don't need to swirl it, you don't need to do anything of that nature, just like what you see me do in the video. This is exactly how, if you want to achieve this hairstyle, you want to do it. So it has to be as loose as possible so that you can just use your bobby pin to shape it. I hope you get what I'm saying. Yes. So that is exactly what I am doing here. I'm just trying to shape it just to let it lay in place so that the hairstyle looks, classy, girl. Yeah. So you can do this for any hairstyle that you have, like any old hairstyle at all. Okay. Yeah. So this is what I'm doing. I'm just brushing it, and then this is what we have. So low puffs of this nature can be used, can be taken anywhere to work, to any occasion, depending on what you have. So this is basically how the style came out, and yeah, I used the back camera to record this, so you can see that there's a change in the placement of the style, but basically it's the same thing. So this is what we have. Let me know what you think about it, and let me know if you want to try this out. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.